Well, welcome everyone. It's been a great start to the week in markets, and I'd like to share with you where things are at. First off, a big shout out from Rob. He's down in Florida with the mastermind students, and I am here taking care of you and, of course, folks in the active trader room over at becomebettertrader.com and on wealth charts as well. When you look at the price action on markets, you're looking at a weekly chart with a lot of our tools on here, a lot of our strategies. Now, the weekly and the daily are observed on screen, and the bullish signal that we've been on has progressed a little further after Friday's pullback. So we've effectively restarted that bullish move up today. However, we still have resistance to get through. In today's market, as you can see, I was able to do a little day trading in front of the group in the active trader room, and mainly on the long side, looking for continuations up inside the day. Now, that theme, continuations up, is really what's happening on a day-over-day basis as well. If I take you over to a 1-hour chart, for example, to take a look at the inside of the day, we know that we got the CPI data. The CPI data didn't shake the market down and break it down. In fact, market participants drove right over to FANG stocks, and what were they doing? Well, really covering some of the bearish positions over there, and up and away. Nvidia went going up almost 7.5% on the day. Now, this rise that we saw from the CPI data onwards had a pause, and that pause came midday. The pause took price action back into the champion cross-buy zone, and up we went again with a breakout forecaster rising into the end of the day with features on the chart that were bullish, allowing for some long side day trading today. Now, the reason I took you inside the day is I want you to look at what's happening on the daily chart and, of course, the weekly chart. The weekly chart is riding the speed lines. We've already completed a sequence of signals over this longer-term up move we've had since last November in 2023. Now, this rise on the daily chart comes down, tests the champion cross-buy zone, pushes up above the speed lines. It is at the point of a late stage, but it hasn't quit yet, and there are targets at the 5,200 area. And, of course, if we look a little further, midline target there at 52.54. Now, these are TRP targets, Rob's Trader Rescue Package Toolkit. You can also see on the weekly chart, we've got a target up here, open. That's a target too at 52.60. Now, the market does have a continued bullish stance. The question is, are we going to get a surprise over the next couple of weeks, i.e. into the end of the week for OPEX, inflation data, and or a policymaker, saying something out of turn? Well, these are all things that we're watching out for, continuing to keep a short-term visual on the market with day and more intraday trading. I look forward to sharing with you videos just like these in the days coming in front of us. Have an incredible rest of your day. And again, all trading is at the independent trader's risk. Can't guarantee results like this every single day. However, when I follow the rules and use the tools appropriately, have a better chance of making out in a better way. Have a great rest of your day, folks. Safe travels to those of you that are joining Rob down in and Hubert down in the mastermind with all the other mastermind students. And have a very happy rest of your day. Bye for now, all.